are you? I hope all of you fine and safe. Dear student, in today's class, we are going to teach you 8th standard second language English. Lesson name, The Emperor's New Clothes. Lesson name is The Emperor's New Clothes. This is one of the play based on a folk tale. So, the emperors and the new clothes means ರಾಜ ಮತ್ತು ಅವನ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. The emperor means king. New clothes ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ರಾಜನ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು. And then this is one of the play. Play means ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಡ್ರಾಮಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾಟಕ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. A play means drama. And then next, this is one of the story based on a folk tale. The story name is The Emperor's New Clothes. This is one of the story, a play based on a folk tale. Folk tale means ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆ. ಜಾನಪದ ಕೃತಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. Folk tale means ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. So, ಇದೊಂದು ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆಯನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. The Emperor's and the New Clothes means ರಾಜನ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು. The title is very different, you know, my dear student. Okay, today we are going to teach you in this lesson the emperors and the new clothes. Once upon a time, a foolish emperor lived one kingdom. He was very much interested in wearing new clothes in every day. He was a more attention given to his wearing the new dresses in the everyday. He was not interested, he was not given to the attention, the kingdom and then the peoples. ಅವರು ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು, ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ತೊಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಾಕೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ. he was not interested. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಾಗಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ರಾಜ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸೋದು, ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಿಂಗ್ಡಮ್, ಆ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಪಡಿಸುವುದರ ಕಡೆ he was not attention given. He was given to attention wearing the new clothes. Not only a new clothes, he was wearing in daily different type of a new clothes. ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಥರದ, ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸದ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅವರು ಧರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. So he was a very proud and then proud to himself. ಅವನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಗರ್ವ ಇತ್ತು. And then he was a foolish, ಮೂರ್ಖ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. So now today we are going to learn the emperors and the new class story. This is one of the, already I tell you, this is one of the play or drama. Okay, my dear student, in this drama or play had a 4 scenes, 4 ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. Okay, shall we start? Are you ready? Okay. All of you open your textbook 115, page number. Okay, dear student, I take a loud reading and then I explain some glossary words from given to the paragraph and then explain through paragraph. Okay. Okay, start. Prose. The Emperor's New Clothes, a play based on a folk tale. Once upon a time, there lived a proud and a foolish emperor who was very fond of wearing new clothes. To him, new clothes meant more than anything else in the world. Indeed, he spent so many hours every day in his dressing room trying out new clothes that he had very little time to attend to the affairs of his kingdom. Scene 1. A hall in the emperor's palace. As the curtain goes up, where his chief advisor is waiting. The emperor is in a very angry mood. Emperor, pointing to something in his dressing room. Useless. All these clothes are useless. Not one of the suits can be worn by me. Chief advisor, Your Majesty, these are the best that I could get for you today. Emperor, the best did you? If these are the best, then my empire is full of worthless tailors. Banish them all. Send them one and all out of the country. I want new clothes. I want new clothes. I want a tailor who can make me a different set of clothes every day. You may go now. Come to me. Only when you find a new tailor. The chief advisor bows and takes a few steps towards the door, then stops and turns towards the emperor again. Emperor, have you something more to say? Chief advisor, Your Majesty, since yesterday 2 weavers from a distant place have been waiting outside the palace to see you. Emperor, in angry tone, Weaver, but I don't need weavers. I want good tailors. I want tailors who will make me new clothes. Chief advisor, Your Majesty, these men said that they have found a secret way of weaving the finest silk cloth and making the most beautiful cloths. From the cloth that they weave, they claim to be a magic tailors. Emperor, magic tailors? Who make the most beautiful clothes? Then why are you wasting your time here? Go and bring them in at once. The advisor goes out. The 2 weavers enter the court and bow to the emperor. Emperor, come in, my men. Oh, here you have some very fine cloths to show me. The cloths that you make must be a very wonderful indeed. First weaver, they are Your Majesty. But before we begin our work, we require a large quantity of the finest silk and the purest gold thread. Second weaver, and we must also have several jewels to see and Your Majesty's new clothes. Emperor, of course, my chief advisor will provide for you whatever you want. You will be given a room in the palace to make the new clothes, and you shall not leave the palace till you have completed the work. I shall wear the new clothes in the procession that I am expected to lead 2 days later. Okay, my dear students, loud reading is finished. A few minutes you take a silent reading, and then I explain some glossary words taken from the paragraph. Okay, shall we start? Okay, start your silent reading. glossary words taken from the paragraph. Page number 120. 120. Some glossary words is there. Glossaries try out. A period of time spent trying a new method, tool, magic, tool, machine, etc. to see if it is useful. Suit means a set of clothes made of the same material. Your Majesty, addressed used when talking to a king or a queen. Banish, to send someone away permanently from one's country or area as an official punishment. Banish means vargaku rajyadinda. Tone, tone means the way your voice sounds, which shows how you are feeling or what you mean. Claim, to state something is true even though it has not been provided yet. Indeed, used to emphasize a statement or answer. Of course, used as a polite and friendly way of agreeing to something. Expect, to think that something will happen because it seems likely. Pardon, word used to say sorry. Discover, find out something new. Okay, once again repeated these glossary words. Suit means a set of clothes made of a same the material. Banish means to send someone away permanently from one's country or area as an official punishment. Claim means to state something is true even thought it has not been provided yet. Indeed means used to emphasize a statement or answers. Okay, these are the glossary words taken from the stanza. Now we read, we explain the paragraph. Okay. Once upon a time there lived a proud foolish emperor. Once upon a time, ಒಂದಾನೊಂದು ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದ ಒಬ್ಬ ರಾಜ. lived, foolish ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮೂರ್ಖ, and then proud means ಅವನಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಗರ್ವ, ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅವನಿಗೆ. who was very fond of wearing a new clothes. He was very much interested, very much fond of wearing a new clothes in the every day. To him new clothes meant more than anything else in the world. New clothes means more thing anything in the world. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಕೂಡ ಹಾಕಿಬಾರದು, ಆ ಥರ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. And then indeed he spent so many hours. He was spent his many hours every day in his dressing room trying out new clothes. He was a very foolish woman, you know, my dear student. He was wasted his time. He was many hours ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಕಾಲ ಅವನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಮೆನಿ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ, ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್. ವಾಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೆನಿ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಟ್ರೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದಿ ವಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಸ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋದು, ತೆಗೆಯೋದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೇರೆ ಹಾಕೋದು. ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ದಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫುಲಿಶ್ ಕಿಂಗ್. ಇವನ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗಿತ್ತು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫುಲಿಶ್ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. ಓಕೆ, that he had very little time to attend to the affairs of his kingdom. The little time, the small time, he was attention given to the his people and their kingdom. ಅವನ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಜರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಮಯ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವನು ಮೀಸಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. So these type of the quality, character of the foolish emperor. Okay, dear student, are you understand? I hope, I think all of you understand this paragraph. Okay, next we go scene first. I already tell you, my dear student, in the beginning, this play means drama, the emperors and the new class. This is one of the play taken based on a folk tale. Folk tale ಅಂದರೆ ಜಾನಪದ ಕಥಾ ಅಂಶವನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. So it had a 4 scenes, 4 ದೃಶ್ಯಗಳನ್ನು ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. So now we learn first scene. A hall in the emperor's palace. Palace ಅಂದರೆ ಅರಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ಹಾಲ್ ಇದೆ. So as the curtain goes up, curtain means ಪರದೆಗಳು ಎಳೆಯೋದು ಹಾಕೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ಟೈನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಪರದೆ. The emperor is seen coming out of his dressing room. The first scene is the emperor coming in his dressing room. ಈಗ ಎಂಪರರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಇಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Into the hall. Where did he come? Hall. His chief advisor is waiting. Chief advisor means ಆತನ ಆಪ್ತ ಸಲಹೆಗಾರ. The emperor is in a very angry mood. The emperor coming his dressing room at a time he was a very angry mood. Why? What is the reason of? So the reason is there. First one, emperor pointing to the something in his dressing room. Pointing to his dressing room ಅಂದರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ತೋರಿಸೋದು. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ ಕಡೆ. ಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ರೂಮ್ useless. All these clothes are useless. All the clothes is useless. Not one of the suits can be worn by me. Not one of the suits. ಒಂದು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ನಾನು ಹಾಕಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಲಾಯಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. Suit means already tell you a set of clothes made of the same material. ಒಂದೇ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ಹೊಲಿದಿರೋದು. So he was a very angry mood because all these clothes is useless wearing me. ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕೂಡ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನನಗೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದೂ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. So chief advisor, your majesty means what? Majesty means addressed to when talking to a king or a queen. ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಥವಾ ಕ್ವೀನ್, ರಾಜನ ರಾಣಿಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಬಳಸುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗೌರವದ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಬಲ್ ವರ್ಡ್. Chief advisor, your majesty, these are the best that I could get for you today. These are the best dresses. ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂದರೆ ಇವೇ ಇರೋದು. Could I get for you today? ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನು ತಂದಿದ್ದು. So next, emperor, the best did you say? You say these are the worthless clothes is best. Did you say? ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದು ಅಂತ? If these are the best, then my empire is full of worthless tailor. These are the useless clothes, and then my empire ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ರಾಜನ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ. Empire is a full of worthless tailor. ಇರೋರೆಲ್ಲ useless tailors, worthless tailors. Banish them all. Banish means to send someone away permanently from one's country or area as an officially punishment. ರಾಜನ ಒಂದು ಆಜ್ಞೆ, ಗಡೀಪಾರನ್ನು ಅವರ ರಾಜಧಾನಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕುವುದು. Banish all them. Send them one and all out of country. I want new class. ಅವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. I want a new class. I want a new class. I want a tailor who can make me a different set of clothes every day. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಿಂದ, ನಮ್ಮ ರಾಜ್ಯದಿಂದ ಒಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಯಾರಿಗಾದರೂ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಟೈಲರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಹುಡುಕ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ನನಗೆ ಹೊಸ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಬೇಕು, ಹೊಸ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎ ಟೈಲರ್ ಹೂ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಎ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ. I want a not only a common tailor, I want a tailor, the tailor is quality of he ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಲಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತಹ ಟೈಲರ್ ನನಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ, ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಎ ಡೇ, ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ he was made a different type of clothes. You may go now, come to me only when you find a new tailor. You may go now, you find and then you come, you find out a new tailor. ನೀವು ಹೊಸ ಟೈಲರ್ ಸಿಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the chief advisor bows and takes a few steps towards the door, then stops and turns towards the emperor again. And then the chief advisor bows. Bows means ಹೀಗೆ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬಗ್ಗಿಸಿ and takes a few steps. Few ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾನೆ. Few steps towards the door, near to the door, and then stop. The chief advisor stop. That turns towards the emperor again, and then the chief advisor see the emperor again. ಹೀಗೆ ತಿರುಗಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಖವನ್ನು ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. Emperor, have you something more to say? ನೀನು ನನಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾ? Have you something more to say? ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾ? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್. Your Majesty, this is one of the respectable words talking to the king or queen. Since yesterday, to weavers from a distant place. Oh my dear Majesty, since ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ yesterday, two weavers. Weavers means ಟೈಲರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಸಿಂಪಿಗರು ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ. ಫ್ರಮ್ ಎ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬಿನ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್ ಟು ಸಿ ಯು. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? ನಿನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಕಾಯ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಔಟ್ಸೈಡ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್, ಅರಮನೆಯ ಹೊರಗೆ. ಟು ಸಿ ಯು ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್, ಸಾರಿ ಎಂಪರರ್, ಇನ್ ಆಂಗ್ರಿ ಟೋನ್, ವೀವರ್ಸ್, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ವೀವರ್ಸ್. I want good tailors. I want tailors who will make me new clothes. Weaver, emperor in an very angry tone. ಸಿಟ್ಟಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, weavers, but I don't need weavers. I want good tailors. ನಾನು ಹೊಲಿಯೋರನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡಲ್ಲ. I want a good tailors means they made a ready to clothes in different way, different style. I want tailors who will make a new clothes, different type of a clothes they were made to me. Next, chief advisor, Your Majesty, these men say that they have found a secret way of weaving the finest silk cloth and making the most beautiful cloths from the cloth that they weave. Chief advisor ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, Your Majesty, these men means the two weavers say that they have found a new secret way. They have found in the secret way of weaving the new finest silk cloth and making the most beautiful cloths. Finest silk cloth ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಷ್ಮೆಯ ಬಟ್ಟೆ, ಸಿಲ್ಕ್. Reshme, silk means. They are making the finest silk cloth and making the most beautiful cloths from the cloth that they weave. They claim to be a magic tailor. They weaving the finest silk cloth, making the most beautiful cloths. ಅವರು ರೇಷ್ಮೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಯಿಂದ ಉತ್ತಮ ರೀತಿಯ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಲಿದುಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಕ್ಲೈಮ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್. ದೇ ಗಿವನ್ ದಿರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಓನ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್. ದೇ ವಾಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟೈಲರ್, ದೇ ವರ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್. ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವರಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರು ಎಂತಹ ಟೈಲರು? ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅವರು. ಎಂಪರರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ದೆನ್ why are you wasting your time here? Go and bring them into once. Magic tailor, it was a very ತುಂಬ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಯಿತು ಅವನಿಗೆ, ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್. ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್ ಹೂ ಮೇಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ದೇ ವರ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಜಿಕ್ ಟೈಲರ್, ದೇ ಮೇಡ್ ಅ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ದೆನ್ ವೈ ಆರ್ ಯು ವೇಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಗೋ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ಇನ್ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಅವರನ್ನು ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಾ. ನೀನು ಯಾಕೆ ಇನ್ನು ಸಮಯವನ್ನು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಔಟ್. ದ ಟೂ ವೀವರ್ಸ್ ಎಂಟರ್ ದ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ and bow to the emperor. The advisor goes out. Advisor ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. The two weavers enter. The two weavers means the magic tailors. Magic tailors enter the court and bow to the emperor. They will enter the court and then bow to the emperor. ಹೀಗೆ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಬಗ್ಗಿಸಿ ನಮಸ್ಕರಿಸಿ. Emperor, come in my man. I hear you have some very fine clothes to show me. Then clothes that you make must be very wonderful indeed. Okay, come in. ಓ ಬನ್ನಿ my man, ಓ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳೇ. I hear you have some very fine clothes to show me. I hear my chief advisor tell you, explain, you are not a common tailor, you are a different type of a magic tailor, and then you made a different type of a class. Already my chief advisor given to information. Next, the clothes that you make must be very wonderful indeed. You are ready to the class is very wonderful indeed. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್, ಬೇರೆ ಟೈಪ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹೊಲಿತೀರಿ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯಿತು. The cloth that you make must be very wonderful indeed. ಅಂದರೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನೀವು ಬಟ್ಟೆಯನ್ನು ಹೊಲಿತೀರಾ. ನಮ್ಮ ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Okay dear student, in this lesson today